win is not mine alone. It belongs to all Olivers, ranging from the youths, elders in our sector who come out to vote to change. I promise to work with everyone, deliver accountable leadership, and ensure no one is left behind. It appeared tough until you come out to make it look so simple. It's symbolized to the chaotic, but your security towards your votes turn it to be secured and safe. You change the hostile environment to look peaceful for your voting process to run smoothly.
Demokrasia ambayo mmeonyesha on Friday ndio demokrasia tunataka kuona on 2027. Yule ameshindwa atulie. Kuna siku yake. Yule mshindi ni mmoja. Kwa election hakuna I was number 2. The winner is only wale wamebaki wamefanya nini? Wameshindwa. Sawa sawa. So let us continue to champion peace in Kisumu County as we head to the general election. Mimi am an officer in IBC Kisumu Central. I want to see the next election that Kisumu was very peaceful from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m.
The turnout was averagely well. People came, and when we were closing the polling station, there was a big number of people who were still yearning to vote. But due to time, we were unable to allow them to vote. Votes for chairman, it was really hectic, indicating that that seat was really full of pressure. But I thank God for the security who enabled us, protected us, chasing away the goons, people who were trying to attack us until we finished. And today we are here celebrating the winner.
I want to beg the elected team, kindly unite the sector. We don't want division in tuk-tuk industry. We want one association. Wale wenye walishindwa wakuje tuungane pamoja, tufanye kazi pamoja, tuinue chama.
And now today, I have accepted to work with my brother Mitchell Kelly. And we are going to better the lives of the tuk-tuk members with everybody on board.